Hello children, welcome to your previous class. Today we are going to discuss about beaks. In previous class we have already discussed about wings and feathers. Okay, wings and feathers. Let us discuss about the beaks. Birds use their beaks to catch and eat food. Birds use their beaks to catch and eat food. Birds have different shape of beaks. Okay, look at here. There are three pictures of birds. They have different shapes beaks. Okay, birds have different shape of beaks depending upon their food they eat. Okay, sparrow have strong beak. Look at this is sparrow. Sparrow have strong beak so that they can crack open the nuts and seed that they eat. They open they crack the seeds and nut and they eat. So they have strong beak. Okay. Look at this. This is hummingbirds. Here its beak is long, have long, narrow, pointed. Its beak is very long, narrow and straw-like structure. Its beak is long, narrow and straw-like structure that help them suck nectar from flower. Okay. Then look at here. This is dove. Its beak have broad and flat beak. Its have broad and flat beak. Its beak is broad and flat with holes on either side to drain out the water. In its beak, either side two holes are there. From that holes they drain out the water. They drain out the water and leaving the worms, insect and plants in their mouth. They drain out the water and keep the insect, worms and plants inside the mouth. Okay, and eat. Birds use their beaks to collect or gathering the materials to make their nest, and also they use their beak to cleaning their feathers and feed their young ones. Okay. Let us discuss now feet. About feet. Birds' feet are of different sizes and shapes. The birds' feet are of different sizes and shapes. Birds have 2 feet. Birds have how many feet? 2 feet and 4 toes. And 4 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of them face forward and 1 backward. Okay, 3 of them toes are face forward and 1 is backward. Okay, feet are used to walk, hop, hold, catch, raise and pick things. When birds pick things from ground, they use their feet. Okay. Some birds like crows, sparrows and myna perch on the branches. Birds perch on the branches, we know. The crows, sparrow and myna perch on the branches of tree. They have toes that help them to grip and hold branches firmly. They have the toes that help them to hold the branch tightly. Okay. Birds like hen have sharp and hard claws. Birds like hen have sharp and hard claws to scratch the ground and dig out insect and grain to eat. They scratch the ground and dig by the help of their claws to get insect and grain to eat. Okay. Birds like eagles and hawks have strong, sharp, large and curved claws known as talons. Look at this. This is your claws. This is the claws of eagle. So this is the shape strong, sharp, large and curved. Okay. Claws known as talon. The claws of eagles is called talons. This is very strong, sharp, large and curved in shape. Okay. birds like woodpecker have feet and toes that help them cling to trees trunk and climb up. Means woodpecker use their feet and toes to hold the tree trunks and climb up the tree. When they climb up the tree, they use their feet and toes to hold the tree trunk. Okay. Then aquatic birds like duck and swans have webbed feet. We have already read that the aquatic plant have webbed feet that help them to swim in the water. Okay. The bird like ostrich have 2 toes instead of 4. They use their toes for running. Okay. Let us discuss now birds and their sound. Different type of birds make different type of sound. Birds use their tongue as tongue to chirp, as a way of communicating, they use their tongue to chirp for communicating. Okay. But there are 2 types of sound. There are 2 types of sounds, that is call and song. That is call and song. Okay. There are 2 types of sound, that is call and song. Okay. Sounds are of 2 types or 2 kinds, that is call and song. Call. A call or chirp is made to warn others of danger so that they protect themselves. Call or chirp is made for warn others when something danger, so they protect themselves. Okay. Then song. A song is a sound which is musical. Song is a sound which sounds musical. Okay. Cuckoos and nightingale make such sound, and parrot can speak like us, and also they mimic human sound. Okay. Then let us discuss about nest. What is nest? Nest. The bird's house is called nest. We all know. Birds make nest to lay eggs. Birds make nest to lay eggs. They use material like grass, straw, thread, wool, twigs and strips of clothes to make their nest. They use these things to make their nest. Okay. They collect these things by the help of their beak and make their nest. They hatch their eggs by keeping them warm in the nest. They hatch the eggs by keeping warm in their nest. After their babies are strong enough to fly, they leave the nest. Okay. Different types of birds live on different type of place depending upon their climates. Okay. There are some birds that travel long distance to escape cold weather in search of food and to lay eggs. When the season changes, they return to the place where they belong. This is known as migration. Okay. Migration means when the climate of one place changes, they escape that place and went to the different places from for long distance in search of food and lay eggs. When the season changes, they return to the place where they belong. Okay. This is known as migration. Or migration means movement from one region to another and often back again, especially according to the season of year. In the year, the season changes and the climate of different season are different. So some birds does not adjust in that climate, so they change their place and they went to different long distance and lay their eggs and search for food. So this is called your migration. Okay, birds that migrate, birds that migrate are known as migratory bird. Bird. Okay, birds that migrate are known as migratory bird. Okay, then let us discuss caring for birds. Caring for birds means we care the bird or we love the bird and we give food to the bird. Bird feeding is an activity to feeding wild birds, often by means of bird feeder. We give some food to the wild birds, like food items we give the birds are peanuts, grain, seeds, kitchen scraps, and also we keep some water in a bowl in a open space or in a garden to feed them. Okay, this is called an activity that is by means of bird feeder. Okay, so this is all about your chapter 6, that is bird. So your chapter is finished. In next class we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.